After I discovered the secret, I only cook pork steaks like this, tender and juicy. I have 4 pieces of pork steak here. And we're going to make small cuts like this in our steak, and we're going to do this process with all the pieces. This recipe will be incredibly delicious. You need to make it at home. Now on to the seasoning. First I'll add salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and we'll massage the seasoning into the meat. Then we'll turn it over and season the other side as well. Now we'll add a little wheat flour on top. Then we'll spread the flour so that it covers all the meat, and we'll do this on both sides. Once that's done, in a frying pan we'll add olive oil and 4 cloves of sliced garlic. Let the garlic fry until slightly golden. Then remove and set aside. Now we can add the meat to the pan. Let it fry until golden brown. Then we'll turn it over and let it brown on the other side too. When the steaks are browned like this, remove them from the pan. In the same pan, add a chopped red onion and let it fry for 2 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. We'll also add the juice of 1 lemon, and now we'll stir to mix the ingredients. Now add 100 milliliters of water and let it cook for another 4 minutes. After this time, we'll add our meat to the pot. It's simply delicious. This meat is perfect, and this sauce makes it even more delicious. Make it at home because everyone is sure to love it. Our meat is now well wrapped in the sauce. Now let's transfer it to this dish and add the garlic we fried here on top. Now I'll serve it and show you how it turned out. As promised, this meat tasted incredible and was super tender and juicy. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.